This is the week 1 assignments. I'm just going to go through these real quick. I'm going to kind of treat it like if we were an on-ground class, just so you get an understanding of what is due this week. Reminder that today, well, let's go through the readings for this week. You can see on the screen here, you're going to read chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, and 27 of How to Write Anything, this textbook. Hopefully you have this. If you don't, you need to get this, okay? You'll see under the weekly media some different sites for you to go to if you need further understanding of APA style, how to do an essay, that sort of thing. Next, we'll go to the discussion. Discussion 1 that's due today. All right, pretty easy discussions this week. So go ahead and get on them and make them work. You're going to discuss comparison that Joshua makes. And the question is, we're determining what option is the better one as we evaluate the options. What are some ways we can make judgments and decisions in our everyday lives? So think about something that you make a decision about in an everyday life, and then post it as a discussion question. Again, due today. Tomorrow, or in 2 days, on day 5, you are going to write about, you're going to evaluate something you drink in the morning. We start off saying, write an evaluation of your coffee this morning. You're just going to write about that drink. It doesn't have to be coffee. It could be something else. And then you're going to compare your drink to the coffee or whatever you drink to another type of drink. So it's compare and contrast. And what that is doing is setting you up for the week 1 major assignment for week 1. So that's going to be posted in 2 days or by Saturday. Okay. So the week 1 assignment is a compare and contrast paper. 750 to 1,000 words. Okay. When you do these papers, so read through the rest of them and read through the rest of this and just compare and contrast. As far as the paper goes, you'll see down here under the assignment goals and criteria, it says format your paper according to course guidelines and remember to cite sources. Okay. What I want you to do, if you have not done it yet, I want you to go to the course content section and look for the APA paper. I don't think that's the actual name of it, but it's definitely APA rubric and template. APA template and rubric. Go there and use that in setting up your paper. Okay, if you can get in the habit of using that, you'll be better off for every written assignment that you do here at MacU, because all of our courses here use APA format. So getting this part of this course is to get you ready for that, for using APA. You'll see it's on a Google Drive. Download it into Microsoft Word and then work with it from there. Okay, I'll help you tweak it as it goes along. But this assignment 1, is due by Monday night. Right, Monday is the 6th of June. So have it in before midnight of that night. Don't be late on things. All right, go ahead and get in the habit of doing your work on time. That's for assignment 1. Assignment 2 is a journal response. All right, 250 words or 1 page. Again, use APA format. In other words, you're going to Times New Roman, 12 size font, double space, and as you're writing, and just post that into the Dropbox for assignment 2. And it's the things you've learned this week. What does it say? It says list 2 things you've learned about plagiarism. Okay, so there's in the book it's going to talk about plagiarism. We have a plagiarism section in the CAGS policy that I asked you to read. that's also found in the content area of the course. Finally, there's the last thing listed for week 1 is final project. The final project is not due this week. Okay, what this is giving you a heads up on what the final project's going to be, so you can start thinking about it right now. Read through it. Again, you don't have to do anything right now, but read through what the final project is saying, and then if you have questions, let me know. Okay. Easiest way to get a hold of me is via email, and while we're in class, I'll check my email every day on the weekends, like coming up on Saturday and Sunday. I'll check every day. During the work week, you can almost always catch me here in the office, and I'll respond to your emails as quickly as I possibly can. And I'll make sure that I've posted my office phone as well. Anyway, good luck this week. Get started. Looking forward to getting to know each of you better, and may God bless your academic endeavors.